Good day everyone, I am Christine Tirelcheng and we are here with the local civil registrar of LGU Datu Saudi Ampatuan Municipality, Ma'am Hani Unas Calon, the Municipal Civil Registrar.
Hello, good afternoon and welcome to our office. You are here at the office of the local civil registrar of Datu Saudi Ampatuan Municipality. For all you know, our office is mandated to register vital events of every individual. Ang mandato po namin ay tumatanggap ng registrations, ng birth registration, death registration, and as well as the marriage registration. So, yun po yung mga pangunahing mandato ng aming opisina. As local civil registrar, we are accepting registrants starting from the newborn, yung on-time registration, and the delayed registration of birth and deaths. When you say on-time registration, yan yung pinapanganak na hindi lumalampas ng isang buwan. That is considered on-time registration of birth and death registration. Okay, pag lumampas na yun ng isang buwan, so it is considered as delayed registration of birth. Okay? Naintindihan nyo? Okay. So kami, kung may mga, there are corresponding requirements. It's either on-time birth registration or death registration, and as well as delayed registration of birth and death. So, there are requisites upon registration of birth. The parents or the informant is required to submit, to fill up forms for the information of the child, and then submitting the required documents such as the marriage certificate of the parents, and their corresponding identification cards, and the fees are for free. There is no payment at all. It is offered by our new administration in support with our initiative with UNHCR na free namin binibigay yung mga birth registration for the identified barangays and the identified beneficiaries.
Yes. Our first question is, what is your main purpose of your initiative?
Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to Datu Saudi Municipality. What is your question?
What is the main purpose of your initiative?
Okay. In Datu Saudi Municipality, we have programs and initiative for different barangays, especially with this coming new administration headed by the newly elected Mayor, Honorable Basir Dimaupuputo Sr. In partnership with the UNHCR, our office, the Local Civil Registry Office of Datu Saudi, had an initiative in partnership with the UNHCR for having a free mobile birth registration in pilot barangays, I should say. The barangays of Barangay Cabingi, Salbo, Barangay Salbo, Barangay Ilian, and Barangay Kitamo. 4 barangays. So with that, we went to the barangays to advocate and give a free birth registration for those children who are unregistered.
Who are your target population?
Okay. The target beneficiaries are those children who are unregistered. Since we all know that having a birth certificate is very significant for everyone. The importance of birth certificate, having a birth registration is the primary requisite for every individual. for having a birth certificate means having an identity. It's a mandatory rights for everyone to have an identity and nationality. Yan yung pagkakakilanlan sa bawat tao. Kailangan natin magkaroon ng pangalan. Karapatan yan ng bawat tao, bawat isilang na bata na magkaroon ng sariling pangalan at nasyonalidad.
Next,
Go.
what are the plans of the Office of Local Civil Registrar for this upcoming year 2026?
Okay. Actually, our plans, our initiative is continuous. It started this year, 2025, until 2026. Because we have a target beneficiaries. We started 700 beneficiaries until until we reach the 1,600 target beneficiaries of free mobile birth registration.
Go.
How can we benefit in your department?
Since it is free, we are offering for free in every barangays, in every child who has not yet registered. It's really beneficial for everyone. Nakakatulong ito sa kanila dahil nagagamit ito. Ito isang dokumento lang na nagpapatunay sa kanilang pagkakakilanlan at nagagamit nila ito simula sa kanilang pag-aaral. At kung meron ng mga programs and government, ito yung isang dokumento na nagpapatunay na sila ay kabilang sa community o sa kanilang yung mga benefits coming from the government. Having a birth certificate is very significant for everyone.
Start ako? Good day, everyone. I am Dato Abdulaziz A. Utu, and we are here with the MDRRM officer, Ma'am Rohana Lintang Sarik of the Municipality of Dato Saudi Ampatuan, Maguindano del Sur. So, ma'am, we are here from NDU University to ask a few questions about the initiative of the Office of the MDRRM of the Municipality of Dato Saudi Ampatuan. So, ma'am, the first question that I want to ask is, what is the mandate of the Office of the MDRRM?
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Rohana Lintang Salik, your Dream Officer of Dato Saudi Ampatuan. The mandate of DRRMO is under Republic Act 10121, the Disaster Risk Reduction Management Act of 2010. So this is the this is to ensure the protection and welfare of the people during disaster. Yeah. So, or emergencies.
Our following questions, ma'am, is what is the main purpose of your job or
It's sorry. Through pwede Tagalog na lang.
pagkat okay na? What is the main purpose of your job or your initiative?
Ang main purpose talaga ng trabaho ko bilang Disaster Risk Reduction Management Officer is safeguarding the community. No, ako yung magbibigay ng mga information, mga early warning systems, yung mga guiding them in their barangay disaster risk reduction management plans para sa safeguarding ng community. So yun yung mga mandato para sa amin.
Job or your initiative?
Ang main purpose talaga ng trabaho ko bilang Disaster Risk Reduction Management Officer is safeguarding the community. No, ako yung magbibigay ng mga information, mga early warning systems, yung mga guiding them in their barangay disaster risk reduction management plans para sa safeguarding ng community. So yun yung mga mandato para sa amin.
The following question, ma'am, is in Tagalog, ano po yung mga nagawa niyo this past month?
Actually, we have quarterly national simultaneous earthquake drill. Just now, I came from Barangay Assembly. We have semestral, no? Twice in a year, every barangay having Barangay Assembly. So, nagbibigay po kami ng mga community awareness sa mga community.
Sino po yung mga target na tao na?
Yung mga vulnerable, kagaya ng mga senior citizen, yung mga children, yung mga PWD, mga women, no? Basta yung mga nasa community, pero inuuna talaga namin yung mga vulnerable sector.
So, what are your plans for the fiscal year of 2026?
For the 2026, we have a lot of programs, community drill, we have quarterly drill, so actually nalibot ko na ang buong Datu Saudi schools para doon ako nagkakandak ng community drill. Kasi inuuna ko talaga yung mga kabataan para sila naman din yung at the same time, barangay officials ang tinatarget ko para sila yung makakaturo sa kanilang bahay mismo kung ano yung mga dapat nilang gawin in case na may emergencies o may mga disaster na mangyayari.
So, thank you, ma'am.